et bienvenue à Learn French with Samy. Aujourd'hui dans cette leçon, nous allons apprendre les couleurs en français. Hi, hello and welcome back to Learn French with Samy. And in this lesson, we are going to learn the colors in French. So, as you might know, there are 7 colors in the rainbow and there are different shades. Today we're going to learn the 7 colors and different shades. So there's this question which people ask often is, how do you say colors and rainbow in French? Well, you're lucky because I'm going to tell you that right now. You say couleur for colors. Repeat after me. Couleur. Repeat after me. Couleur. Bravo, très bien. And for rainbow, you say arc-en-ciel. Arc-en-ciel. Repeat after me. Arc-en-ciel. Bravo, très bien. Wonderful. Next, we're going to learn red. For red, you say rouge. Rouge. Rouge is really important for the French because it is a part of their flag. So, really important. Next, we're going to learn orange. 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 Repeat after me. Orange. Orange in the English version is slightly different from the French version as the R has a bit of the French accent in it. Next color, yellow. Jaune. Repeat after me. Jaune. Très bien. Bravo. You can remember this like the month June, which similar to jaune. June comes in summer, so is related to the sun, which is also yellow. Next color, green. Vert. Repeat after me. Vert. Good. Dark green in French is vert foncé. Vert foncé. Repeat after me. Vert foncé. Bravo. We do not pronounce the last letter T. We pronounce with T only when it is a feminine word. All of this we will learn in our future lessons. Next color, blue. Bleu. Bleu. Repeat after me. Bleu. Très bien, bravo. Bleu is really important in France because it is also a part of the French flag. Next color, purple. Violet. Violet. Repeat after me. Violet. Well done. Violet for lavender. Next color, pink. Rose. Repeat after me. Rose. Rose for tulips. Tulips. Now, white. Blanc. Blanche. Repeat after me. Blanc. Très bien. Blanche. Très bien. Blanc is masculine while blanche is feminine. What about the C at the end? Do you pronounce it? Well, you do not pronounce it. We do not pronounce the C, so we do not say blanc. Next color, black. Noir. Repeat after me. Noir. Très bien. The wa together make the sound wa. So, noir. Noir for your video game controller. Next color, grey. Gris. Repeat after me. Gris. Très bien, bravo. Color, brown. Marron. Marron. Repeat after me. Marron. Marron for croissant and baguette. Really yummy, right? Next color is beige. Repeat after me. Beige. Well done. Beige means skin color or peach, like the models right here. Next color, golden. Doré. It's raining cards, I know, right. Doré. Doré. Well done, très bien. Repeat after me. Doré. Très bien. Next, silver. Argenté. 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 Repeat after me. Argenté. Très bien, bravo. Wondering what we are doing next lesson? Well, here is a small glimpse of what is coming up. If you like this lesson, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell, and also like, share, comment. Au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.